The NICE CNC engine guard, frame guard, whatever you want to call it, bash guard. I do like it. I mean, it's for considering it's a lower cost and no doubt lower quality engine plate. I do like it. I should have made a video when I still had my KTM 450XC, because that had a really nice Enduro Engineering brand engine guard on it, and it was thicker, it was better made overall, just much nicer quality and higher cost too. But I do like this, the NICE CNC engine guard. For one thing, it's not very bulky. I didn't want something really bulky that would, be blocking some of the engine cooling and be excessively heavy, and I didn't really feel I needed more protection than it offers. I was mostly concerned about rocks getting kicked up. There's those tennis ball sized rocks that get kicked up by the front tire when you're trail riding, that bang against the bottom of the frame and against the engine cases. That's more what I was concerned with. As you can see right there, it definitely deflected something already. I believe I heard that when that happened, so I was glad I had this. Pretty soon, I've been saying it for a while, but soon I will have my online store up and running, and I do intend to sell these. I'll be drop shipping those, but I'll go into more detail about that in another video. So, and this, by the way, was a perfect fit. It came with its own hardware, and for what it costs, I do like it. I like the way it looks too, so